My name is Geno Cook. I'm the sales director for Coaljet Life Sciences vertical market. Falling under the life sciences umbrella would be pharmaceutical industries, contract research industries, and other healthcare providers. Coaljet is the global leader in dry ice blasting and dry ice production technology, working in support to help distribute 3 billion COVID-19 vaccines globally. Products in these industries, whether it be vaccine or medicine, need to be kept at very cold temperatures. One of the biggest challenges, I think, is that really a small disruption can have catastrophic consequences. So whether it be a pharmaceutical company or a contract research company developing a new drug, a new vaccine, a single missed shipment due to a lack of availability of dry ice for any reason can be a big problem. Dry ice at negative 109 degrees is able to maintain those temperatures and therefore plays a critical role every step of the supply chain. Having dry ice production allows you to take control. It allows for risk to be mitigated. It allows for end-to-end visibility. And again, it eliminates that headache, which is we need to constantly be planning ahead and determining, okay, how much ice is going to be needed tomorrow, when we don't really know the answer to that question always. Usage on a daily basis is always fluctuating. So having the ability to quickly start up a machine, produce exactly the amount you need when you need it is a great benefit. Our product portfolio allows for production of pellets in a variety of capacities, and we can really then take it a step further to optimize logistical approaches and how customers are going about weighing pellets and packaging them either into bags, into parcels. We can incorporate our dosing systems to allow for a more automated approach in regards to that. Coaljet is very proud to work with our customers in the life science industries, whether it be through efforts to distribute the COVID-19 vaccine globally and other efforts in support of research, development, and commercialization of healthcare products.